What's up guys, me Akhilesh. Today I'm going to show you how to download OBS Studio and how to use that. So let's start the video. For that let me start Chrome and now search OBS Studio download and go to the first link on the Google and from here you can download this one, download installer. So the installer is installed. Then after we can proceed for installing. So it is downloaded. So I already downloaded it, so you can download it from here. So let me show you how to download. Like next, if you do next now, then you do- you're able to download the OBS Studio. So I already opened this. So see this. This is the interface of OBS Studio, and here through this panel you can add the audio input capture and the display capture from here, so that you can record your video and screen. So this is the wonderful platform to record the screen, laptop screen, as well as if you want to go streaming, live streaming, then you can select this button. For settings, if we want to set, if we install this software first time, then you have to set some configuration. So come to video and you can add from here the configurations. uh, so currently video is streaming, that's why I'm not able to change this. So from where you can add, from the settings you can change the settings like resolution and output resolution. From here these things you can change. You can also change the FPS from here. So so if you like this video, then please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, because I always bring these type of videos to you guys. Thank you.